Some advanced glycation end products are generated inside us when sugars react with proteins, and they can change the way those proteins function. But it turns out that a number of advanced glycation end products can also be obtained from our diets. So that foods that are processed at high temperatures, that have more flavour, that are more crispy, that are more browned, also contain large numbers of AGEs. And this is particularly the case in processed meat, where the cooking process actually generates a number of AGEs, which we can obtain from our diet. And one of the effects that large amounts of meat have on our diet, apart from the effect of just eating red meat, it turns out that the cooking process of red meat instills a number of potentially toxic substances for our health. The problem is that that same cooking process also means that meat tastes a lot better when it's cooked than when it's not. And so we have a catch here, that the cooking process, particularly how it's done often in our kitchens with frying or high temperature in the absence of humidity, it gets lovely browning, gets lovely crispiness, but that same process leads to the generation of AGEs. By comparison, cooking meat at lower temperatures in the presence of humidity or water in a casserole or soup leads to much fewer generation of AGEs. And it turns out that kind of cooking is associated with much better health outcomes for individuals who are eating those kind of foods.